Best electric hand saws. Hi, this is Jane. Today I will discuss about electric hand saws. Having a high quality and powerful saw is a very important equipment that one can buy for completing a cutting job quickly and efficiently. The best electric hand saw is available in many different types of models in the market to give some choice for the buyers. However, the real issue is finding the right unit that can perform the job effectively without giving a problem. The popularity of this unit has reached its peak in recent years. No matter the buyers want to complete their DIY projects or work in an industry where cutting is an important activity to do, having such a device will be a very handy thing to have. List of top best electric hand saws review. Product link in the description below. 10. Chicago Electric 6-amp saw. Best for comfortable grip. 9. Genesis GCS 545C. Best under $50. 8. Skillsaw SPT 77WML01. Best under $200. 7. Porter Cable PCE 310. Best lightweight electric hand saw. 6. Zombie Power Tools ZCS 5817. Best low maintenance electric hand saw. 5. Bosch CS5 120-inch saw. Best left-hand design electric hand saw. 4. Black & Decker PHS 550B. Best budget-friendly unit. 3. Greenworks 10-inch cordless chainsaw. Best under $100. 2. Black & Decker BDCD 220CS. Best for versatile use. 1. Rockwell RK3441K. Editor's choice. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.